Hi friends, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can achieve your brown color soap without adding any alcohol, adding glycerin. This kind of soap is actually hot cake in the market. It has high demand. People look for a brown soap and all that, and I just want to teach you how you can achieve this brown color, because you cannot get it in the market. You cannot get this brown color in the market. So I'm going to teach you a simple a simple hack to get this color for your soap making. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video to people that might need it. Yes, so this is how it looks. Are you seeing it? So we are going to start our work. We start by getting a pot or a hot pan, anyone that you have. We get a sugar, a normal sugar. So this is a normal sugar that all of us use. Is being called as an industrial sugar. Yes, the one you use to make your cake, your puff, your bread. This is the sugar that we are using. There is no other sugar. This is a industrial sugar. So we are going to put it on a heat or on a flame and burn it, kind of. So we are not adding water here. We are just going to put it. You are going to add it in a pot. Leave it. You can decide to stir it. Yes, I stirred mine, but you can decide to just leave it, not to stir it at all. Do you understand? Yes, but I decided to stir my own. But if you're doing something, if there's something you are doing in the house, you can put it on fire and just go and do your stuff. Just come and check on it from time to time. Do you get? Yes. So I'll cook and still I'll put it there and still wait. So if you want to learn how to make soap as a professional, if you want to open a mini factory soap making business, yes, you can chat me on the WhatsApp number on the screen so that we can discuss. Chat me on WhatsApp so we can discuss. You will learn how you can make soap as a professional. If you want to learn how to make skincare products, how to make face cream, how to make body lotion, how to make bathing soap that moisturize your skin and give you a brighter look, skincare entirely. If you want to learn how to make skincare products, if you want to learn how to make soap making, household products and all that, chat me on WhatsApp number that I drop on the link on the screen so that we can discuss better. As you can see, our sugar is melting and is turning brown. You can't tell me otherwise. You cannot tell me otherwise. This is honey. I think people are using this thing as honey. They will just melt sugar and pack it and they will tell you it's honey because it looks like honey. Like, this is a perfect color for honey. Wow, now this is beautiful. So this is the color that you're going to add in your soap. You can add this color in your either your soda ash solution, or yes, add it in your soda ash solution. While making soap, add it in your soda ash solution, then you make your soap. Or you can even add it in your caustic soda solution, soda ash caustic soda solution, and you add it based on the shade that you want. If you want it to have a darker shade, you add more. If you want it to have a lighter shade of brown, you add less. So anything concerning color is it doesn't come with amounts. You know that, right? It doesn't come with amounts. It's you that will say, it's you that will know, yes, this is the kind of green, this is the kind of brown that I want, and you add it. Are you seeing it? So the more it's burn, the better. The more it's burn, it's better. It will give you, once you add it, it will turn everything to brown. But if you don't allow it to burn, now I'm adding it water. I'm adding it water. After I added the water, I noticed that everything sticks, is solidified. Yes, I want to take you through all the process. Yes, what I did, it's solidified. Then I now leave it on fire to melt it completely. Yes, that is what I'm exactly doing. Yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel in this up till now, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, share my video to your household, to your friends, to your family. Share my video to any group you belong to. Other of my videos, you can share it to people that might need this. You might not be the only one needing this video. There might be someone out there that is looking for this video but don't know how to get access to it. So you sharing it to people will make them to get access to the video, and you is a kind of showing kindness to them also. So this is it. This is exactly what we did. It's not much. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how authentic, how beautiful it looks? Are you seeing it? It's now ready. We are going to pour it and keep it in a bottle or a jar for our production. You have to make this and keep it for your production. So anytime you want to make production, you get it for your production. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and thank you for sharing, and most especially thank you for subscribing. Turn on the notification button so you'll be getting notified whenever we drop a very masterpiece video. Yes, thank you family, thank you everyone. Without you I won't be here. Thank you Crystal DIY family. I love you guys. Thank you so well. If you love what I'm doing, just comment on the comment section. You are welcome, because I'm thanking you. Tell me you are welcome in the comment section. Thank you so much. Tell me you're welcome in the comment section. I'm thanking you, so you are the one to tell me welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Bye.